Besides automatic bootstrapping, you may also layer an ontology over the existing database. Automatic suggestions will assist you in the process. The mapping overview shows you all mapping rules that are already in place. If you haven't bootstrapped a mapping, it will initially be empty. For instance, you may start by creating mappings for one particular database table, say for oil fields. You may sort or filter the list to find the appropriate entry. If you found your table, just add a rule and give it a name, so you can easily identify it later on. You may now complete the mapping. Add a corresponding ontology class and any number of properties. As you can see, appropriate correspondencies are automatically suggested. In our case, we may choose npdfp oil field because that's the correct class to correspond with the field table. The mapping rule now already creates an instance URI for each tuple in the table and will type it accordingly. You can now add additional properties. Again, suggestions are available at the bottom of the page. Of course, you may also add any other property manually. If you prefer to do so, just enter the property name of your choice in the plaintext field. Suggestions will appear as you type. For each property that you add, you can specify its values, that is, the triple objects. This could be any attribute from the input data, or something more complex, like a reference to other objects. If you find that your table does not cover all the information you need in order to add some properties, you can extend it. You may instead choose other tables, denormalized database views, or even add an ad hoc view by specifying an SQL query. And while you add or edit a mapping rule, you may request a preview of the resulting data at all times to check your progress. This way, mappings can be created or modified interactively.